is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, look what I got here behind me, man. I got the Fairmont. Yeah, baby. So what are we going to do with it? What are we going to do with this Fairmont? Look, I took the Cleveland in. It's got a crack block. I'm sorry. I ain't welding it. I ain't snitching it, stitching it, or whatever he wanted to do. It ain't happening, man. I'm not doing it. I'm not building a motor and then have that thing break on me. No. Look at the leaves are falling. The gutters need to be cleaned. Snow's going to be flying. It's time to start working on the Fairmont. What do you think? Talk to me, baby. Talk to me. Should we be working on this Fairmont? You should be working on that motorcycle back there. Fairmont. Motorcycle. Fairmont. Motorcycle. I'm picking the Fairmont. Motorcycle, I can get parts for, put them together. That's an easy job. This right here, it's been a nightmare for over 10 years. So guess what? We're going to work on the Fairmont. But I got the suspension on it. I got the rear suspension on it. You know what I mean? Why not? Fenders up there. You know. Other parts up in the wife's garage. She forgot about those. Oh, yeah, buddy. So we're going to start working on this Fairmont. We're going to start getting things together. Start getting it done. Fairmont, baby. Fairmont. Oh, yeah. RC car. Woohoo! So anyhow, let's turn this around and see what we got, because I got to pull the stuff over from the garage. I got to clean up underneath the Fairmont. Turn into a storage unit. Let me turn this around. The famous Foxbody Fairmont. The car that everybody wants, but nobody wants to pay for it. Anyhow, this car's solid as a rock. I don't have much to do to it as far as body-wise and stuff like that, except for make it pretty. You know, I got the rotors and everything on it. I mean, come on, man. What more I need? I need to start putting a wiring harness in it. I need to start doing some things to it. I probably should order me a couple wheels for the front of it. But like I says, I hate to take it down because I'm going to be working under it still. So then it's back on jack stands and this and that. So I might as well just leave it like it is on the rotisserie and start doing some work on it. What do you think? Come on, tell me what you think. You know, the motorcycle, I can put that back in the shed. When I get parts, I can go out in the sheds and put them on, put some heat out there or whatever. But I mean, I got to clean the rust up on the fork, so it needs some work. The Fairmont, basically just need to put it back together and find a good engine for it. Because like I said, the Cleveland, it ain't going to happen. I probably should have kept the first Windsor I had. But a guy had money and I sold it. It was actually my brother. My older brother down in Tennessee, the one with the Boss 302. So what do you think, man? Fairmont? Fairmont. That's what I'm going to go with, the Fairmont. Remote control truck. Should I buy a bunch of RC trucks? No. I didn't even hardly play with that one. But yeah, it's time to get this thing from here over to here. Start getting that stuff up underneath it, which there's a lot, but there's not a lot. You know what I'm saying? So it'd be very easy to move it over. Maybe even, you know, turn it, kind of angle it in here. That way I got a little bit more room on both sides. What do you guys think? Huh? Yeah, buddy. Fairmont. Hey, Fairmont. I'm going to tell you something. Those tires look tough on the back of that thing, don't they? Too bad it wasn't on the ground pulling wheelies. Yeah, buddy. So when I built this car, my plan is naturally aspirated. I like naturally aspirated. Yes, I do. So let me turn this around. What do you think? Time to start playing with the Fairmont. I'm out here in t-shirt, man. I mean, it's actually pretty nice out today, except for the leaves are falling. Not really windy. I do got a few leaves in the garage. I guess I'm going to blow them out. Yeah, buddy. But Fairmont. See, that's the thing about having later model cars. When I got the new Mach 1, my wife's got the Shelby. I got my 70 Mach 1. So this kind of puts us on the back burner all the time. You know what I'm saying? And I get it, man. We don't have a lot of money and stuff like that to be putting into a car right now, you know. But I think we can get her done. Oh, yeah, buddy. All right, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Let me know down below what you think, man. Small block, Quadzilla, Coyote. It ain't going to go LS, I'll tell you that right now. You can get that out your gums right now, and it's no LS. No. So anyhow, I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them go see Sublime GT500. He'll tell them you're awesome. If not, you might give him a kiss. Before I go, you know what? I've never really took a video in my office here. And I was asked, you know, they want to see my office. So I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to show you my office. It ain't that great. It's just an office. It's my little man cave. My wife, she's got a computer and stuff in here because one time she was working from home and we got her computer in her own desk. So it's just a little space that I do my YouTube stuff and some of my taxes and other things. So turn this around. So like I said, it's just a little office. Got my clock and my fan and my garbage with my shoes on top of it. You know, my little Xbox and, you know, where I charge my GoPro batteries. It's just an office. Shoes under the desk. Yeah, I'm a guy. What can I say? Wife's desk. I got, you know, stuff up there. My mom, my dad, pictures of my mama, you know. They're right there. And there's my little, that's what I sit on when I'm playing my games and stuff like that. You know. It's just it. It's just an office. Huh? Nothing great. Just an office. Yeah, buddy.